Hey guys, Lonna aka Lonna Nailed It here, bringing you a quick tutorial on how I do my backfills when I have encapsulation. And the first thing that I do is I use the e-file to basically reshape before I start to thin the nail out. I do this because I like to make sure that, well, to me it helps make sure that my shaping is going to be crisp for one, and two, you get to kind of make sure that after it's all thinned out, when you do go through and lay either a cover color or encapsulate something else, you don't have any of the old things hanging out on the side, like the old color or acrylic or whatever it is you may have had. So the goal is to get the nail as thin as possible without it breaking. And I typically tell my clients to make sure they're not touching anything with whatever free hand so that the tip doesn't like snap off and then I gotta resculpt it. And one more time, I'm going to show you guys the same thing, me shaping the nail first before going through and thinning it out. This is actually Jazz's, I want to say, third fill. So I do this quite often. You know, more bang for your client's buck. You gotta refresh the set every single time. Alright, once you finish that, you'll see that you have just a really thin base, maybe a little bit of color left, but that's okay. Here I'll be using my Valentino size 10 acrylic brush, rose gold, and Glamorous Nude as a cover. Not gonna lie, this bead gave me trouble because there was still a little bit of acetone left on my brush. So that combo, oof. But you see I made it work though. Just really glad I got to do this video. This was also a requested video, but I was glad I got to do it because I got to demonstrate basically how well the Valentino covers work. Regardless of what color I have underneath, still covers everything. It's super pigmented, and I always get like a very clean, smooth application. You know, foundation is key, and this definitely helps. Alright guys, now that your acrylic's all nice and laid, go ahead and shape those things up. Make sure that your coffin shape or whatever shape you may be doing is nice and crisp. Afterwards, go through with your e-file and thin them out to your liking. Shape it up a little bit more, you know. Then proceed to buff the norm. And there you have it, folks. Valentino Glamorous Nude Backfill. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me not knowing what the hell I was gonna say. And stay tuned, and I promise to have more tutorials for you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on IG at Lonna Nailed It.